Hey guys, it's Cameron Moore from Build-A-Brand. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a few things. First, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your images on your website. Also, how to change the title and the text body on the pop-up box that appears on the desktop version. And the two buttons below that text body, how to redirect those to any part of your website or any other URL that you want to redirect your customers to. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do is go to salesradar.net and log into your Build-A-Brand toolkit. Once you've logged into your Build-A-Brand toolkit, what you want to do is you want to click your profile photo. This takes you straight to your profile settings, and then you'll have your profile settings menu here. What we want to do is select the option that says My Website. Then we want to scroll down under Manage Home Screen Slides. There is an option below that says Edit Slides. We want to click Edit Slides. So now starting from the top, you'll see that you have a drop-down menu. Allows you to choose which slide, 1, 2, or 3, or you can even add your own new slide. So we'll just leave it on 1 for right now. Then right here is your image that's on your website. If you already have an image there and you want to change it, go ahead and press the pencil to change that image. And if this is your first time adding an image to your website on the sliders, go ahead and do the same thing. Click the pencil, choose a photo from your photo library. If you're on your cell phone, just go to photo library or files. And if you're on your desktop, just choose an image from your desktop. Once you're done, choose that image. Now let's scroll down so that you can see the welcome. So you have the title, welcome, the body text right here. And to give you an idea of what that looks like, this is Trent, the car guy. So askfortrent.com. As you can see, we default it over here on mine with welcome and this right here, the body text that says, allow me to help you establish your brand. Well, this is my text. But on Trent the Car Guys, you can see he's actually changed the title and the body text. Now, we want to make sure on the text title that's no more than 5 words. Okay, so you want to make it short and to the point, and then the body text, don't write a paragraph, just straight, short, and to the point to get your idea across to the consumer. Then you'll notice that there are 2 buttons here, the appointment and contact me. So Trent has actually redirected his appointment. So if you click appointment, it goes to his own scheduling that he's created a calendar so people can schedule an appointment with him. And then you'll see that Trent also has the button that says contact me. And if you click contact me, it's going to keep you on his current website and redirect to that contact me page that's on his website. So to change that, what you want to do is right below the title and the body text, there are several options here. We have button 1, which is the title, and you don't want this to be terribly long, kind of short. And then the button 1 URL. So this is where do you want to direct your customers once they click that button. So you can add a URL, meaning that you have to have the full URL such as HTTP or HTTPS, and then the rest of that URL. Or you can choose from the drop down and select any part of your website to have your customers go to once they click that button. Now, once you've put the title of the button and you've chosen whether it be somewhere on your website or you put the URL to lead them to another website, once you're happy with how everything looks, you want to press save, and then all your settings are saved. So again, this was going over how to set up the images, how to edit them very quickly on your website, and also how to change the text, title, body, and the buttons that appear on that pop-up box when you're on the desktop version. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. We'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.